Hi guys, this is Zsolt. Today's video is rather late because usually I do this task in November, and now it's the 29th of March. Sorry, February, not March, it's February the 29th. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is I will warm up the lawnmower, I will replace the oil, then I'm going to clean the lawnmower, then I will just let it run with the fresh oil a little bit, and then I put it away for the winter. But yeah, so it's not really going to be the winter now, but that's how normally I would do. I don't know, it was something to do with laziness, lack of time, I don't know, not in the mood, but now it's happening, so let's kick it. All right, all the petrol was used up. There was only a little bit, however, it still took some time to disappear or to consume. So now I'm just going to start with removing the old oil. Now it's nice and warm. It can settle a little bit, so it just goes down a bit from the piston, and then yeah, so I'm going to remove the oil, then I'm going to clean it, then I refill it with fresh oil. So let's go ahead. Of course, there is a bit of power cut again. Why we wouldn't have one? We had it a long time ago. Oh no, it was 5 to 7 times this week already. So yeah, hey, party on. I'd like to say a big thank you for Ion Hungary for sponsoring this event. Without them, there would be no alarms going off randomly. All right, well, hopefully power cut is over. So let's carry on. Now usually I go only this far. I just rinse it off and then I let it dry. It's a lawn mower, not a car. But this time I'm going crazy, so just keep them peeled. Okay, let's just refill some oil in it. Just protect the plastic and the house or housing or chassis. more or less it's done. Yeah, well, it's not the cleanest ever, but again, it's a lawnmower, so I didn't want to go crazy. It looks considerably better than it used to. So yeah, now I'm just going to fill a bit of petrol in it and then run it for a minute or so the fresh oil can circulate a little, and then I shut it off and goodbye. So let's do that. Well, that's the end of the video. The lawnmower has some fresh oil. It has the plastics all protected, all the plastics all around. Now they are not gray but nice and black. And also this ceramic coating from Chemical Guys, this hybrid ceramic wax on the metal painted surfaces. So I went a bit crazy here, but we will see how's it. I don't expect too much protection. It's a lawnmower. It will get lots of beat ups. Anyhow, that's the end of the video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel if you didn't do it yet. And also, don't forget to press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for your time, and I hope I'm going to catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.